Hey, Rick McBride here with your Property Masters and 5 minutes of free time. McBride Realty Group. Finally have the September West Volusia Sales Statistics in, and the stats continue to tell us that the market remains red hot, but inventory levels continue to creep up. So it typically reflect a bit of a cool down, but we need to monitor this a little more closely. These statistics are pulled from MLS data provided by the MRFMLS, and to reflect only people or agents that are members of the West Volusia Association of Realtors. So there are some Orlando realtors who sell in this area as well, but this is strictly members of the West Volusia Association of Realtors. So just the facts real quick. 68% of sales were between the price of $120,000 and $300,000, with the largest of 14.96, or basically 15% of sales, being between $200,000 and $249,900. That is up a lot. Unit sales, however, month over month, are down 11.7%. But year to date, unit sales are up 1.1%. So is that a trend down, or is that just an anomaly for 1 month? We'll have to watch that. Another anomaly is 7 months inventory between 80,000 and 89,900, 90,000. 7 months of inventory on the market in that low price range. Sarah had mentioned that she had noticed a bunch of properties in the lower price range coming on the market, and that supports what she said. Under 6 months inventory at all prices up to $300,000 other than that one amount. So there's not 6 months is equilibrium where the price should remain flat. So prices should continue up for all prices under $300,000. There are less than 4 months inventory in all prices up to $300,000 if you use the year-to-date numbers. The total month supply using the year-to-date numbers is 2.6 months. It's very low. The average sale price, however, from $199 last month, but it's still up from $168 to up almost 20% year over year, but down the last month. Yeah, month to month doesn't mean much. It's not much time in the way the market works. You know, there could have been a delay at closing. Plus, we also had hurricanes. So those month numbers may or may not be a true reflection. It's 46 days on the market, average sale. 46 days on the market, average to close to sale. That means that is the lowest that number has been in over 5 years. On our piece of paper, it is the lowest number on the paper. And 3.2 month supply is higher than every month since February. So, I know that's a lot of numbers. What's it all mean? Inside the numbers, it's difficult to argue that inventory levels aren't in continue to grow. However, the fact that the lowest in over 5 years at 46 days would seem to indicate that buyers remain strong. The majority of sales are in the 200 to 249 range, which says that prices are up and people are expecting and willing to pay more for newer and larger homes. Unit sales are down month to month substantially, but still up year to date. In fact, 5 of the last months have shown declines month over month. It remains higher at 1.1. Next month we're going to see how big of an impact the hurricane actually had. The most glaring part of this report is the number of houses available in the $80,000 to $89,000 range. There's currently 7 months inventory. These tend to be blue-collar starter homes. And it's good to know that there are some out there that first-time homebuyers can afford. Watch it closely to see if it's an anomaly. Other than the $80,000 anomaly, there's less than 6 up. Not likely at the pace they have. 0.2 is higher than it's been since February. That would suggest prices continue to cool off just a bit. While the average price was down month over month, year over year, it's up $30,000 or 20%. Difficult market to predict. What's it mean? With inventory numbers inching up, month supply at higher levels, that would suggest they slow down.